Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Jefferson, local and long-distance movers near me. When moving to a new location more than 100 miles from your current location, you may need professional help. If so, check out 3 Movers for your next long-distance move. The company offers exceptional long-distance moving services in Jefferson and strives to bring the same level of excellence to make your long-distance move as easy and efficient as possible. If you want a moving quote, give us a call or start the process online without any hassle. We gather all the necessary details covering a variety of factors to help give you an accurate cost estimate. Generally, moving locally is easy, but every part of moving is difficult, whether related to packing all the stuff and lifting and loading, so it's better to always hire an expert mover near you who can assist you with moving and provide a stress-free experience. The 3 Movers in Jefferson have an experienced team equipped with the required tools and safety and hassle-free pack and move your goods. In addition to local moving services, we have worked hard to expand our services options, including to fit even more needs, including different long-distance moving options, safe and secure moving storage, auto transfer, international and overseas moving. So whatever your needs may be, at 3 Movers, we've got you covered. Worried about the price of your home or office? Let our customer service representative guide you through the option to keep costs down while ensuring you get the excellent moving services you can expect from us. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Jefferson moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, military moving, residential moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.